Welcome everyone. I am Anis Moumen from National Schools of Applied Sciences of Kenitra, Morocco Ibn Tufail University. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank all the organizers of the Second International Conference on Electronics Control Optimization and Computer Science for this opportunity and for all their efforts. My presentation today is about data mining techniques for employability, systematic literature review. It will be organized into four sections and a conclusion. In the first, I will make a brief introduction to data mining and employability concepts. Next, I will move to present our methodology to conduct our systematic literature review about data mining techniques for employability for youth and students. And I conclude by presenting a comparative study of a selection of data mining techniques applied into employability studies according to the authors. The professional integration of young university graduates remain the main concern of all universities. As a result, these universities make enormous efforts to prepare laureates adapted to the job market. Therefore, it is considered appropriate to know the profiles of students employable in the labor market. Several models have been implemented to predict profiles acceptable by employers. As we can conclude from the figure below, the most famous universities in the world are evaluate from the employability of their students. In 2019, MIT, Stanford University, and University of California are in the top 10 of this ranking. Data mining can be used in the various important fields as employability of students, which remain the primary concern of commitment of any university. Multiple factors influence the future of laureates after they graduate from university, as the curricula, student personality, extracurricular activities, and the labor market. Now I will move to present some concept and definition according to the evolution of the concept of data mining, and next I will present also the concept, the definition about employability. Data mining can be viewed as a result of the natural evolution of information technology, particularly the databases. Since in 1960, database and information technology has evolved systematically from primitive file process system to sophisticated database systems. The research and development in database since in 1970 progressed from early hierarchical and network database system to relational database system with data modeling tools and indexing and accessing method. From the mid of 1980, after the establishment of database management systems, database technology moved toward the development of advanced database system, data warehousing, and data mining for advanced data analysis and web-based databases. Data mining techniques deploy several methods to discover pattern and relationship between our data. Also, for employability, employability as a concept was introduced in the UK and the USA from 19 and 1930, respectively. The first definition for employability was the capability of an individual to integrate job market. And after 1960, this definition will evolve to the aptitude to work of an individual according to her result of the functional test. In the 1970, the employability became the attractivity of an individual for potential employers, appreciated by the result of functional tests. the ability to work, and the professional behavior. With this definition, we distinguish two meaning of the employability. The first one is conditioned by the labor market, and the second one related to the personal characteristic of an individual. In 1980, according to the Canadian Labour Force Development Board, the employability is the capacity of an individual to achieve meaningful employment given the interaction of personal circumstance. In the 2000, the definition of employability will integrate other attributes as mobility and knowledge of the labor market. As a conclusion, the definition of employability integrates two dimensions. First one is about individuals' characteristics, and the second dimension is readiness for work by taking into consideration the social environment and economic context. Now I will present our methodology to elaborate this systematic literature review about data mining techniques used into employability study, specifically for particularly for young and students. We have conducted this overview in July 2020. To construct our request, the keywords chosen are data mining, employability, employment, students, and laureate. This request is performed on selected database as Scopus, Web of Science, I3A, Springer, Science Direct, and ASM. After extraction and of references, Zotero databases contain 1,057 references, which will be analyzed by NVivo. The first result is the word cloud, illustrated in the image and was obtained after analyzing the collected references and abstracts. The words which appear at the top of occurrence are respectively data, mining, and employment. And we also remark that the second and third level of classification of the words associated to the data mining and employment is students, college, graduates, model, university, decision, information, academic, education, learning, skills, employability, method, algorithm, association, prediction, classification, factor, career, social, market, and other words. Our corpus is mostly constituted from four databases, scientific databases, with more references that meet our research criteria, which are respectively Scopus, Science Direct, IEEE, and Web of Science, with reference number 52, 30, 28, and 23 references, respectively. Also, the categories of all references and their numbers are articles 63, conference paper 68, book 13, and chapter book. From all our references, the beginning of publication was 2005, as shown below. Whatever the type of references, we observe that the year which the number of publications start to increase is to 2012. From our corpus, we can also conclude that the most important journals, which are the majority of our references are published on, after ASM conferences, the most important journal is Advances in Intelligent System and Computing, Applied Mechanics and Materials, Children and Youth Services Review, Computer in Human Behavior, and IEEE Access and Open Access journals. Also, we can conclude that we have a lot of authors that are very interested by this topic, employability and data mining techniques applied on. Regarding the results of corpus analysis presented in this presentation, we select the works according to criteria: paper that presents an implementation of data mining algorithms for employability, and also paper must discuss more than one algorithm by giving the accuracy of each techniques. We conclude that decision tree algorithm, text mining, logistic regression, naive Bayesian, random forest, item response theory, and neural network are the most used techniques to study youth employability. According to this systematic literature review, we have identified scientific works which compare more than one techniques according to the accuracy to predict the employability of the students and graduate. As we can conclude from this table, neural network, logistic regression, and decision tree obtain the best accuracy according to the authors with more than 19%. More than random forest, SVM, Bayes networks, and text mining. I have now come to the end of my presentation. In summary, I spoke about data mining techniques used for employability studies for the youth and the student. From literature review, we have concluded that, according to the authors, neural network, logistic regression, and decision tree obtain the best accuracy to predict the attractivity of the profile for employers. Thank you for your attention, and I will be happy to answer any question.